Let's see how to create gradient animation in Photoshop. Type the text that you want. Go to the window menu. Select Timeline. Click on Create a Video Timeline. Import the gradient image that you want to add to the text. Right-click on the gradient layer. Select Create Clipping Mask. Click on the arrow to expand the clip options. Click on the stopwatch icon to apply a transform keyframe. Press Ctrl or Command+T to transform. Scale up according to your requirements. Now change the position of the gradient and press Enter. Move the playhead to the next point. Again, press Ctrl or Command+T and change the position of the gradient and press Enter. Repeat the same process for around 3 seconds. Move the playhead to 4 seconds. Right-click on the first keyframe, select Copy, and then Paste. Now our keyframe position values are the same at 0 seconds and 4 seconds, so our animation becomes loopable. Now, right-click on the last keyframe. Select the set end of the work area. So your work area now becomes 0 to 4 seconds. Move the playhead to the start of the timeline. Now click on the settings and check the loop playback. Now click on the play button or press the spacebar to see the animation. If you like my video, then hit like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Visit my YouTube channel for more tutorials. You will definitely learn something new. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. Thanks for watching.